Hello children, how are you? Today we are going to learn our new lesson, that is our nation, means our country, that is India. So ready for that? Look at this picture. What do you observe? I love my country, so I keep it clean. Do you? What does it mean? It means we have to keep our place where we live. So it is our duty to keep clean our surrounding. The theme of the phrase is, theme means the moral of the phrase. Phrase means sentence. Is, we must pay attention to our duties and do it sincerely without fail regularly. So my dear children, keep it in your mind. Now children, focus on page number 128 to our Pictionary. Here it is mentioned Mahavir Chakra Award, which is second highest military reward in India. Now soldier. Soldier is a noun word. Soldier means a person who serves in an army. Now weapon. Weapon is a noun word, an object that is used for fighting or attacking. Now look at this picture with gratefully. It is Amar Jawan Jyoti. It is an Indian memorial constructed after the India-Pakistan War of 1971. And battle means a fight between armies or groups of people. It is also a noun. Now let's move on to our lesson. The guardians of the nation. The main characters of the story are father and his son Anand and his daughter Yazini and Karmugilan, that is who is doctor. The main glossary of this lesson is munching. Munching means eating something steadily, means chewing food. Rith means flowers arranged in a ring shape for laying on a grave. Grave means where dead people are buried. The next is memorial. Memorial means a statue or structure established to remind of a person or event. The next is ceremony. Ceremony means a formal event to celebrate, like birthday or marriage day, etc. The next one is intervened, means interrupt or disturbed between the conversation. Conversation means when people talking each other. The next sacrifices means giving up something which is more valuable for the sake of country, for the sake of love, etc. The next is infected. Infected means contaminated with harmful things such as bacteria or virus. The last one is guarding. Guarding means to watch over, to protect or control. Now glossary is over. Let's move to our lesson. Look at this picture. It is amazing, isn't it? Watching television with parents enjoying themselves. Anand and Yazini came home from school, washing their face, hands, and legs. They sat down next to their father. Their father was watching the news on the television. Anand and Yazini came from school and washed their hands and legs and sat calmly along with his father and started watching news. There were 2 bowls of chickpea sundal. They ate and watched a ceremony where people were paying respect to a helmet on top of a gun. Dad, what is this place? What are they doing? Asked Anandan. Dad replied, This is Amar Jawan Jyoti, a memorial for the soldiers who died for our country. They were enjoying snacks along with their father. Children were enjoying snacks along with their father. Anand, his son, asking his father, What is this place? What are they doing? Why they are paying respect to a helmet? Their father explained to them that it is a Amar Jawan Jyoti. It is constructed for the memory for the soldier who died while fighting during war. Helmet for the symbol of soldier, and gun symbol of war for the sake of country. So my dear children, a helmet on top of a gun shows as soldiers died while fighting for the country during war. So children, we celebrate every year of 7th December as Armed Forces Flag Day. Their father also told them that we also keep mourn for 2 minutes for the sake of sacrifices of our soldiers every year on that occasion. Their father also boosted them by saying a great honor to serve the nation by joining the army. So, we should remember the sacrifices of our beloved Amar soldiers for guarding our nation and protecting us from outsider enemies. Therefore, which will help us to create habits of helping others as well as create goodness for our society. So, my dear children, till now you have understood clearly, isn't it? The remaining part of the story we will discuss in the upcoming video. Now, the explanation is over here. Read the story twice till here, so you will able to understand easily and thoroughly.